Water cycle and human impacts test. Number 1. The process that keeps the Earth's water constantly recycling is called carbon cycle, water cycle, condensation, evaporation. Number 2. The water on Earth comes from the foods that we eat, falls from space, evaporates, has been on Earth since the Earth began. Number 3. The water that the dinosaurs drank was not the same kind of water we drink today, was salt water, is still in the water cycle, is gone. Number 4. During blank, liquid water is heated and turns into water vapor. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, all of the above. Number 5. As the water vapor rises, it meets cooler air that changes it back to water drops, which form clouds. This is called blank. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, all of the above. Number 6. Once the drops in a cloud become too big to remain in the cloud, they fall to the earth. This is called blank. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, all of the above. Number 7. Blank is rain, sleet, hail, or snow. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, all of the above. Number 8. Transpiration is blank. The transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the plant, the transport of sugars throughout the plant, the process by which water evaporates from a lake or stream, the process by which water in a plant becomes a gas called water vapor. Number 9. Water and other nutrients are taken into a plant by blank. The stem, the leaves, the roots, none of the above. Number 10. The water cycle is also known as the blank cycle. Hydrologic, carbon, heat, energy. Number 11. About blank of Earth's water is fresh water. 97%, 2.8%, 75%, 0.6%. Number 12. Water below Earth's surface is called blank. Precipitation, groundwater, runoff, surface water. Number 13. Surface water that moves down a slope is called blank. Precipitation, groundwater, runoff, surface water. Number 14. Soils that contain plants blank. Keep water from entering the ground, allow more water to enter the ground, cause water to run off faster, have no effect on the rate that water is absorbed by the soil. Number 15. Which of the following is not a factor that would determine surface water movement? Slow, steady rain, soil type, carbon dioxide, slope of the ground. Number 16. Pollution is not a problem for any of our water sources. True, false. Number 17. Farmers often cause groundwater pollution by blank. Use of fertilizers on their fields, use of herbicides on their crops, all of the above, none of the above. Number 18. Blank causes the most erosion on Earth's surface. Water, wind, glaciers, gravity. Number 19. Transpiration accounts for about blank of the water in Earth's atmosphere. 5%, 10%, 15%, 75%. And number 20. The rate of transpiration depends on blank. Temperature, humidity, precipitation, all of the above.